Hey, what's up? Techsavvy here. Got a little video for you guys. May or may not know this is available for Mac and excuse me, Mac and Windows. You can actually there's built-in emojis and Kaomojis. Shortcut and you can do them anywhere. You can rename folders with the emojis. You can do anything. So, for instance, up here in the search bar, I'll just you can actually right-click emoji, brings this up. And as you can see, there's a bunch, like a lot. And for Windows, it's Windows, the icon on the lower left. That if you're not familiar with the Windows icon, it's just the square right here, very lower left. Press that period, brings it up, or Windows colon. On Mac, it is excuse me, Command Control Spacebar, and I will put some in. Get your Kaomojis right here. Again, multiple category, well, yeah, I guess selection categories, what the hell ever, same thing. I'm not familiar with these like at all. The Kaomojis, you got your symbols, a lot in here too. Again, bunch of selections. So thought I would share it with you guys. I'll leave it up. You can open it up. I mean, you literally put them anywhere. These are not colored. This is just Notepad. If you do it in Word, like any text document program like LibreOffice, if I'm pronouncing that right. It's open source. It's like Microsoft Word, but it's free. Open Office, anything like that. So those will be colored, I'm pretty sure, at least Windows, Microsoft Word. So check it out. Again, it does do it for Mac. So Windows key, or Windows colon, or right click and bring it up, or Mac, excuse me, Command Control Spacebar. I thought it was pretty cool. I actually didn't even realize it even after like right clicking and seeing it for quite a damn long time. I was like, oh, what's this? But I thought I would share with you guys, again, Mac and PC. So, you guys take care, have a great one, and I'll see you later.